Amay. Good morning. In the city of, how do you pronounce it? Hualien or Hualien? So we're having an early morning walk. Last night we walked in the side streets, no? Side corner. Ito, McDo lang pala, no? Malapit sa hotel natin. McDo. This is McDonald's corner. Commercial area pala nila, no? Nice. This is Meridian Hotel. Okay. Ito main street na niya. So ibig sabihin pupuntahan natin sa main street. This is ano to? McDonald's in Chinese. Ganda. Going. Tingnan natin dito, no? This is yung main road nila siguro to, no? Okay. Affiliated preschool of Mingli Elementary School, Hualien. So the city of Hualien is around 3 hours drive from Taipei. No? So yesterday we had a very good experience. Oh, there's an election, May. Oh. May election, oh, barangay election. Oh, ito yung election nila, oh. Your people. Ito yung kandidato nila, May, oh. Yeah. They have their May, pasok tayo? Cross tayo? Yeah, Mr. Gosing. She's running for election. She's the one. She's running for election. The political party. They're running for public office siguro. Parang barangay election nila to. Kasi may youth sila. These are. Ito lang pala. Oh. Sige, si Maya. Kunin natin. So this one, just a taste of the, ito yung pinuntahan namin, Century. Ito ko siyang name tree lang eh. No? They preserved daw to. These were planted by the Japanese. And they preserve it. No? Matindi yung city ng Hualien. Grabing preservation effort, oh. Just imagine, oh. May mga support pa sila, concrete support here. May area, oh. In our city sa Jensen, mag-isang kahoy puputulin, no? But here, grabing preservation. Basta if you read yung history nila dito, these were planted during the Japanese era. Very nice. Okay. You observe yung politics dito sa Taiwan. The women are taking the leading role. No, kanina yung nakatayo sa yung parang bench. I think those were the top 2 positions. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so just to stress the point na yung trees talaga is forms part of the important legacy ng community, they should be preserved, no, at all costs. Tingnan mo yung effort na dito, lagyan pa ng mga protective cover kung medyo may sanga na problematic, may poste pa talaga. It's a very good learning experience, no, for cities in the Philippines. Importante yung planning. Okay, here